Page 10, Scale Study in A minor. This is simply giving you a chance to play a couple of the types of minor scales. The first line, the right hand is playing the melodic minor, and in the second line, the left hand is playing the harmonic minor. That's all it's for. In the middle of the page, they talk about the parallel minors. Parallel minor is when the minor scale starts on the same note as the major scale. It's a different key signature. I've not found a lot of use for parallel minors. The relative minors come in handy because a piece can go from major to minor in the piece very easily. They can also go from the parallel major to minor back and forth, but yeah, you gotta change the key signature or you gotta start using a bunch of accidentals or whatever. You're welcome to read all that, but I don't really push parallel minors. And then at the bottom of the page, they show you an example of, you can take a melody that's in a major key and play it in its parallel minor. And a lot of times it works out just fine. See at the bottom of the page, this is in C major here at the bottom. But C minor has an E flat in it. So it's... You can have some fun with that sometimes, just playing around with stuff. Try playing it in the parallel minor, if you know what the key signature for the minor scale is. Otherwise, don't bother. However, let's talk about this study up above. I'm just going to go through it lightly. I'm not going to do a play with me on it. I just want to cover it. I want to make sure you understand it. The right hand in the first line, that is the melodic minor. It's A minor. And it's, again, natural minor would be all the white keys because there's no sharps or flats in A minor. Okay, but you'll notice in the second measure, the F sharp and the G sharp, that is the 6th and 7th step. Because again, the minor is here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we take these two steps, so we take them up a half step. We sharp them. But we play the naturals coming down. That's melodic minor. And in the music, they show you the natural signs in parentheses. Those are courtesy signs, remember. They're natural anyway because the sharps in the second measure are only good for that measure. So they're being clear. Make sure you play the naturals coming down. That's all. Now for the second line, I don't know why they're giving you an F natural in the second measure. It's an F natural anyway. You don't need that. But it's the G sharp that does it. That's the harmonic minor. That's the minor I cover in my videos, minor videos. And that's all that is. So it's there. You can play it all you want to. Don't copy me. You don't have to play at that speed. You can do more with the dynamics and things. You have fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions.